In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Typeform to ActiveCampaign using Zapier. This is a simple automation that helps you save time and keep your contact list updated without doing anything manually. The idea is straightforward. Whenever someone submits a Typeform, Zapier will automatically send that information into ActiveCampaign and either create a new contact or update an existing one. This is especially useful if you're collecting leads, signups, or customer information through a form and want that data to flow directly into your email marketing system. To get started, log into Zapier and choose the option to create a new Zap. A Zap is just Zapier's name for an automation. It connects one app that starts the process with another app that completes the action. Once you create the Zap, you'll begin by setting up the trigger. For the trigger app, select Typeform, then choose the event called New Entry. This tells Zapier to watch for new submissions in your Typeform. In other words, every time someone fills out your form, that submission becomes the event that kicks off the automation. As you set this up, make sure you choose the correct form if you have more than one so the right data is being used. Next, move on to the action step. For the action app, select ActiveCampaign, then choose the action called Create or Update Contact. This is a helpful option because it prevents duplicate work. If the contact already exists in ActiveCampaign, their information can be updated. If they're new, a fresh contact record will be created automatically. After that, map the fields from Typeform into the matching fields in ActiveCampaign. At minimum, you'll want to map the email field and the name field from your form. Field mapping is important because it tells Zapier exactly where each piece of information should go. Take a moment here to double check that the email is going into the email field and the name is going into the correct contact field. Small mistakes at this stage can cause messy contact records later. Then select the contact list in ActiveCampaign where these new or updated contacts should be added. This helps keep your audience organized and makes it easier to start follow-up campaigns or segment your contacts later on. Once everything looks correct, activate the Zap. From that point on, new Typeform entries will automatically flow into ActiveCampaign. This creates a smooth and reliable workflow, reduces manual data entry, and helps